Shenzhen First Bicycle Technology Company Limited, focused on middle and high-end bikes and bicycle parts. Company's business coverage, development, production, and sale. Company's core concept is focused, professional, dedicated to providing cost-effective bikes and bicycle parts for the vast number of riders. Our company is located in Shenzhen, China. R&D and production team in the bicycle industry, with nearly 15 years of professional experience, has established a perfect system of research and development, production management system, product testing process, customer service system. Also has a fast response mechanism to provide quality products and services to domestic and international bicycle dealers. In addition, we can also do ODM, OEM by customers' requirements. Our company products are mountain bikes, road bikes, folding bikes, pedelec, and other bicycle parts, such as bicycle frame, handlebar sets, bicycle wheels, etc. After years of product development and market development, our products have been praised by our customers at home and abroad. At the same time, a broad marketing market has been set up at present. Our brand Twitter and Visp bikes have more than 300 dealerships in China and exported to foreign countries such as Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Japan, Korea, Chile, Germany, France, Italy, and so on. In the future, we will be more focused and specialized in every product, and let our products be sold to more cities, countries, and regions.